Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess police officer, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
My name is Hilario Flores, and I'm a police officer with the City of San Antonio Police Department.
What super skill do you use in your career?
The super skill that we use is problem solving, because you have to investigate, you have to go out there and talk to people to see if we can get any leads and catch a lot of these criminals.
What is the funniest thing about your career?
Oh, actually, our mascot's a rooster. It's a good way to come and hang out and have a good time.
What tools do you use to get the job done?
We have a whole bunch of tools. We actually carry about 30 pounds of gear on us. You know, we have our taser, we have our pistol, here are our magazines, we have our handcuffs, radio, and then we have our body armor. So that's why, exercising is very important.
What's the coolest part of your job?
Making a difference in the community. Bringing a smile to their faces when, let's say, we return their property or we help them get off the highway, and you can see the relief in their faces, and I enjoy it very much.
What an amazing career! Also, use your problem-solving super skill to get the job done. And think about all the things you could be.